welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we are unboxing talking flashcards.
Okay, as Matilda said, we've been sent these talking flashcards. We've got two of them in two colours. We hope we've got two colours, don't we, Matilda, yeah? So these are talking flashcards from the company called Huson now, and like an educational toy for kind of toddlers and a little bit older. So Matilda's a little bit too old for them, but we've got someone in mind that we can give these to. So we're going to unbox them, make sure they're all okay, and then we're going to give them to that person that way. So Matilda, you get them out of the box now, have a look at them.
Ooh, we got a pink one.
Okay, pass the stuff to me, and I'll show the camera. So we've got the pink actual toy itself. We've got 2 packs of cards. These are preschool cards, so they're aimed at preschool age by the looks of it. So have a quick look at the cards in the box. Okay, so by the looks of it, we've got all kinds of different words on here. So we've got some green ones that got shapes on, so triangle, square. And then we've got things like firefighter, dress. And all the cards, each of the cards has like a little mini barcode on them on the side. So I'm assuming we can put the card into this little machine. It will detect the barcode and then it'll read out the word. So kind of teaching you words. So Matilda, open the other one as well and see what we get in that one.
Get instructions.
Oh, sorry, let me just mention that. We get the instructions and we get the USB cable for the power or for the charge for the actual device itself. So keep them separate. So another 2 packs of cards, and this one, this time, the colour is
green.
So you got a green one and a pink one. So we've got one of each. So we'll keep these boxes nice and safe because we can put the stuff back in the boxes. So we've got 2 sets. So we'll plug them into USB now, see what happens, and then we'll show you them working. Okay, so me and Matilda, we've powered up the green one. Powered it up, so you press and hold the power button for a few seconds later, Matilda. Okay, so the pink one, we don't have any power, we need to charge it up. So obviously there is an internal battery, so we'll charge that one in a minute. So we'll show you on the green one instead. So you press and hold the power button.
Hello, nice to meet you. Let's play now.
So a nice little theme tune to open up, ready to use. So Matilda's going to show you now. If I hold it like that to the camera, Matilda's going to put the cards in, aren't you, Matilda?
Wait,
yeah?
Which way?
The other way? That way, yeah. So a little barcode goes in.
Turn it over.
Dress.
And you've got the dress, so it reads out the word to you. So there are other buttons on here, so you can press this button here, let me show you.
Dress.
And it'll repeat the word.
What is that one?
That one there is the volume. That's going down. That's the loudest it goes. So you take the card out. On the other side, till I put the other one in, so that's a socks one.
Socks.
Socks. It's not too loud, so if you've got like a younger person using it, it shouldn't scare them too much, should it, Tilda? But that's really easy to do. You slide the card in,
Socks.
and it reads it out to you. And again, you press there's a little button that's got kind of a refresh symbol on it.
Socks.
And it'll read it back out to you. So me and Matilda now, we'll put the pink one on charge. We'll have a quick read through the instruction book, make sure we've not missed any other features you can do with it, and then we'll come back and do a little bit of a first impression summary. Right, so Matilda has got some cards, she's just organising them now. She's going to show you something she's just found out, Matilda. So the green ones are all animals. So Matilda's going to put some animal ones in. So Matilda, show what to do.
Some of them I haven't tried, so some of them might not make noises.
So what's that one, Matilda?
Tiger.
That's a tiger. So put the tiger one in.
Tiger.
Whoa.
So hopefully that picked it up. So the animal ones, obviously say the word and then also do the noise of the animal, so even more educational for your child. So push the lion one in.
Lion.
So you got the lion one. What's another? Have you got another one, Matilda?
Aww.
So what's that one?
Duck.
The duck.
Duck.
Very accurate noises. One more. Should we do one more? Do that one.
I haven't tried this one.
So pig. Go on, pop it in.
Pig.
Cool. Oh, Matilda wants to do one more. One more. Go on, one more then.
I wonder what elephant will do.
This is an elephant.
Might not do anything.
Elephant.
Oh, that was a good one. So that's great. So the other ones don't do another noise. Matilda checked that. They've just got the word. And obviously you can still do the refresh.
Elephant.
So you can press the refresh button again. So really good, really easy to use, nice and simple, and not too complicated. Pop the card in and it reads it out for you. Okay, so we're all done in the video now, done and dusted, checked it out, really, really good. Just to confirm, this is available on Amazon. So it's $14.98 at the moment on Amazon. The price does go up and down. So it's $14.98 per flashing card machine. So obviously you can choose on Amazon between a pink and the green one. So $14.98. So I think pretty good value for money. Seems pretty well built. It's nice and nice that it's rechargeable. You don't have to put your own batteries in, so that's great. It comes with a USB cable. So Matilda, what do you think? What's good about it?
It helps kids learn and it makes it more fun.
Yeah, brilliant, yeah, doesn't it? So they can put the cards in. So I think it'll be, because the cards are still quite big, they're like a playing deck kind of size. So I think toddlers and slightly bigger kids, preschool kids will be able to put the cards in themselves. So overall, really good. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's been useful if you're looking at these cards just to see them before you go out and buy them. So if it has been useful, informative, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, but let us know in the comment section why you didn't like it. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for more product reviews like this, baking, cooking, air frying, DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.